All right, so I'll just continue with my discussion on combination of lenses. See, this lens combination is good to know, but actual utilization of this combination is not there. The way you use combination of cells actually in reality is this. In all the optical instruments, you will find two lens system, but they have separation between them. You don't have a lens system in an optical instrument like this, like close to each other. You always have a gap between the two lenses. So generally when you study telescope and microscope, you would have this situation, okay? This is good to know where you can solve some numericals, the equivalent, the power given by sum of the power of the two lenses, the focal length equivalent as if these two behave like a common lens. But in this case, when you have a gap, the equivalent focal length changes, and this is used in optical instruments. This is not used in optical instruments. Thank you very much.